like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys. If you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I'm having a Temu haul. And if you're not familiar with Temu, it's an online shopping, cheap way to go. It has free shipping. They pretty well have everything on their site. They just do. And so today, I'm going to start off with, I have no idea what this is. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, this is, if I can get it open. Sometimes the smaller the package, the harder it is to open. This is, it's a little thing you stick on the side of it, like your table or whatever, and you can run your cord through it so you don't get them all messed up. Now this next thing, you guys, I don't know how to tell you this. My eye has been itching for days. I don't know how to tell you this, but I think I have found the answer to all my problems. Yes, there's slippers with fuzzies on the bottom, and then you throw these in the washer. But for some reason, where I go barefoot all the time, it's so funny. Because I always have these two little paths on my way to my bed. But see, you can just take them off and wash them. I thought, that's the answer to all my problems. It's not. But wouldn't it be great if it was? And this part is very, very soft. I must say, if I had a sweater made out of that, that would feel really good. I just, I thought it was funny. And then I got these, and I got two of these, and it's 40 by 60, it says. Now, as you know, I have been trying to work on my mother's family tree. So here is hers. And I got two of these. I thought I'll get one, do two of them and pass it on down the line to the girls, because I got them way back to the 1500s, and there was two coat of arms, and then one guy was listed as a gentleman. So I told Mom, I said, Mom, we weren't poor. She thought I was a little crazy. And she says, well, what does that mean when it says it's a gentleman? I said, it means that it is part of the gentry, but it does not have a title. In other words, it was like the second son or whatever. And then I bought these, and I had no idea what they were going to look like. And somehow this isn't what I thought they would look like. Just wasn't. And they got these little chains that hang. I thought maybe there's a coating on the back or something that you can pull off. That's what I thought. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it does. It does have something pulled off. Oh, on both sides. Okay. Yeah, they stink. Well, I'm just going to do one of these because I got a couple different kinds. Yep. So we were part of the gentry. I was amused. You can't tell I fell asleep with my hair wet last night. And it looks really sad. But I'm going to try to act like it doesn't bother me in the least. Come on, you darn thing. I think it's supposed to be like that on both sides. And I think maybe it's supposed to have a little bit of reflection coming through it, but wait a minute, I think I got it. I think I got it. Because that's what it looked like on the thing. Let's see if I can get it. I think I got it. No. Nope. I think I'm just peeling off the color now. But that's what they look like. So anyway, not what I expected, but it'll do. And I got those. Well, I got a shark, you know, for a shark. And then I got this cardinal for my stepmother. So, because where my dad died. This frost's driving me crazy. Both of them are doing it now. Okay. I don't know what this is, but I'm willing to open it and find out. This is, I'm going to guess it's a lip balm. I'm going to guess it's a lip balm. That would be my guess. I've almost got it open, so. I better hope that's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. It's grape flavored. It's either grape flavored or grape scented. Sometimes when it's scented that way, I'm knocking stuff over everywhere. I think this is my first day. Okay, there's that. Let's see what this is. I believe this is a sachet, but I could be wrong. It smells good. It smells like rose. It smells like roses. It says it's a fragrance bag. Company established in 1998. 11.5 milliliters. Product used to place in your car as delicate gifts for relatives. Place in a room, office, toilet, kitchen. Place in a handbag. Place anywhere odorous. Aren't you supposed to put these in your underwear drawer? Just saying. Isn't that what the old ladies used to use them for? They would put them in the underwear drawer? I just think so, but I'm not sure. And now this, I got one of these because I wanted to see if they were worth the price before I got one for each one of the girls, because you know how it goes. So I try to get them something that's all the same for Christmas. Because I don't want nobody saying I play in favorites. I'm as bad as my mother. My mom does that with me and my sister. She buys us exactly the same. Now, me and my sister couldn't be more different. But she always buys us exactly the same. And we always screw with her and say, well, you know the favorite over there. She gets all upset. I believe. And then I believe this goes here. And that's what it is. It's got 3 hairbrushes, a comb, a mirror, and a little stand. And I believe it was like $5, so honestly, they're kind of cheap. Cheaply made. of cheaply made, but I think it was only like $5, so less than $1 a piece. So who knows? I might decide to pick these up for the girls because they do all have their favorite colors, and you know. And here's another one of them family tree mats. What is this one? I don't know. I don't know. We're just gonna ask for help. And one of these days. Oh, well, these are cute. These are little hoop earrings, little huggers. I don't know if you can see it, but see, look, they're little huggers. I don't know if I can get them in or not. Sometimes, let me see. Let me see. I'll see if I can get it in. If not, I can just show you what they would look like. Because sometimes I do that. That wind is just really, that's what it looks like on. That's what they look like on. I don't think I have a latch, but that's what they look like on. No, I didn't have it latched. But anyhow, that's what they look like on. And I will put those on later. And then I got this. And I needed an and sign for my kitchen. Because I got wine. And then it says dine. Let's see, you can either stick this part straight to the wall, or you can stick it to here and then stick this part straight to the wall. So, but I have a shelf that says one, and one of them says dine. So I thought, well, I'll just get that and put that on there. Yeah, I really didn't want the and part, but I think I can possibly paint it. You know, make it mix in better. But anyway, that's that. That's what I got that for. So I'm trying to get some shit done around this house and trying to get it before I leave for Louisiana. I'd really like to get a lot of it done, but I don't see it happening. Oh, and then I got this for one of the babies. But just one of the babies. You know, there's millions of them right now. I swear. Okay. And it's one of these kind that they can't spill it. It's like, hey mom, what are you doing? And it just comes out. So I got that for one of them. Because little Okie, she likes to walk around the house and say, I not spill it. I not spill it. She's spilling it all the way across the house. Okay, here's number 3. That's crazy. Because I only ordered 2 and I know I only ordered 2. Oh, and here is some eyelash curlers, but these got some spring in their step. We've got a spring going on. I'm like, I don't know if I'm coordinated enough to do that. To curl it a little bit. Mine just don't curl like they used to. I don't know. Then I got this. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. These are earrings. And these are cute. A little gaudy, but cute nonetheless. Let me see if I can check these out. Check these out. Check them out. Aren't those cute? Just adorable. I love them. I love them. Let's see if I can get them both in. Yeah, there's the right way. Aren't those cute? I thought they were cute, and there's something I don't have yet. So, anyway, and this thing, oh. This is silicone, and you can scrub your face with it, but I have one. And then this is just, you know, so you can get in the nooks and crannies. But I have one that's a little bit stouter than this because my skin has to be exfoliated twice a day because I have psoriasis really bad. And if I don't do it, that's that. There's nothing else in here. And then I got I am totally confused. I don't know what I got here. It's a sign, which I didn't think it was a sign. I thought it says Margarita something, beginner's guide to self-healing, chakra healing techniques that balance the chakras. Yep, that's just what it is. And I ain't gonna lie to you, that's a little bizarre. That's not what I thought it was. That is not what I thought it was. This was a fail. This was definitely a fail. But hey, no, my earrings. My peel away lip color. Peel away lip stain. So anyway, that's this week's haul. I got bigger hauls coming. I do have bigger hauls coming. I just am not really sure what's going on here. I never know what's going on. Anyway, come on back and join us. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. We do all kinds of unboxings. We unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, beauty boxes, Temu, all kinds of stuff. So come on back, like, subscribe. Bye.